guys, welcome back. If you're new here, hello, my name is Amy. Please consider hitting the subscribe button before you leave and come and join our YouTube family. We are a lovely bunch. With that being said, pop the kettle on, pull up a chair and let's go. Lookfantastic has arrived and I'm quite excited for this one. It's in a bag, which means summer's here, woohoo! And it's a really cute bag as well, and this is so ideal for travelling when we do start travelling properly again. So if you're unaware, Lookfantastic is a beauty website. They sell a wide range of products from, you know, makeup, hair care, skincare, body care. They do tools. They've got it all over there. And as part of their service, they do a monthly subscription box. Off the top of my head, I can't tell you how much I pay. I will pop it in the description box down below for you. But it's a reasonable price, and you know, I quite like it. It is skincare heavy, that I've noticed, so bear that in mind if you are more of a fan of makeup. This might not be your thing, but you know, it's a nice monthly treat. Here is your cheeky sneaky peek. Quite an easy to give you one today. It's all falling over. It looks really interesting. And as part of the subscription, you get a monthly magazine which has got loads of bits and bobs in there about all different kinds of stuff, which is cool. I'm trying to find, oh there it is, the theme Wanderlust, which is quite cool. And they give you a sneaky peek of one of next month's products. So if you don't want to see it, close your eyes now. I am really looking forward to trying this one. This kind of product is my thing. You can open them now. It's my weakness. I can't help it. I have a drawer full, and every time I go to do a declutter, I want to keep that one. Oh, I can't let that one go. I want that one. So I will be referring to this magazine as we go through these products. So let's dive in. I've seen a makeup item, or a couple of makeup items here, which I'm quite interested to try. Now the first item I've got is the Mine Face and Body Tan Mist, and it's in cucumber, and it says to soothe and moisturise, which is cool. Self tan I kind of do every now and again, but a tanning mist isn't really my thing, so I'm going to pop this in my giveaway drawer because I have got a giveaway coming up very soon. I'm recording it I think tomorrow, so it should be up at the weekend, so make sure you're subscribed, and I'll be popping this in the box. But let's give you some information about it. It's a refreshing face and body spray which acts as a gradual tanner to give you a bronzy glow this summer, with a lightweight formula that is instantly absorbed and a zero fake tan smell, but hopefully it would smell fresh like cucumbers. It's instantly absorbed, and like I said, the zero fake tan smell. Sorry, I have really gone over myself. That's me tripping over my words. This gradual tanner is suitable for the face and body and is perfect for that golden glow. And it has cucumber, citric acid, jojoba oil and macadamia seed oil. And it says you hold the bottle at least 15 centimetres away from the face and spray face or body evenly. Allow to fully dry before applying makeup and getting dressed. So it's quite easy to use, which is cool. There's another spray item I can see here, and it's from the brand Grow Gorgeous, and it's the Defense Anti-Pollution Leave-In Spray, and it's for anti-pollution. That's really cool. And it's a hairspray, so this is kind of like a treatment spray. So ideally with this I would wash my hair as it's damp, sort of towel dry it damp, spray this through, comb it and then style it as normal. So I'm quite, you know, looking forward to trying this. So I'm going to give it a bit of spray and see what it smells like. Oh, that's got a jet on it. That's got a really nice fragrance as well. It's very fresh. Oh, that's better. Yeah, I'm quite looking forward to that. I have popped a Grow Gorgeous product in the giveaway. So this is the first item that I'm actually going to use from them. So it'd be nice to try. And here it says it's a protective hair mist that shields your hair from heat damage, colour fade and external aggressors. That's great because I'm a terrible straightener. I'm always straightening my hair, and I colour it regularly as well, so which I've done recently actually. So we've got zero grey at the moment, yay. So that something like that is ideal. and external aggressors. It's vegan friendly and formulated without parabens, sulfates and silicones, especially great for greasy hair that is prone to product build-up. So that's great. It's got green tea extracts, sunflower extracts, vitamin B5, and it says how to use. You spray onto towel-dried hair, comb through and style as normal. Yeah, just like I said. So I'm really looking forward to trying that. I have just spied an Elemis product. So we've got the Elemis Superfood Glow Priming Moisturiser. Now, I don't think I've used this one. I don't have a very good track record with Elemis, to be honest with you. Everything I've tried has either been overly fragranced. Well, I think everything is just overly fragranced, or it just doesn't work. So let's get a little bit of this out and just see what it smells like. I may pass this on to a friend, not quite sure. It's got a very peculiar colour there, hoping you can see it. It's kind of like a grey kind of tinge to it, like a peachy tinge. Oh, that has a glow. Wow. It's not really a fragrance to it either, it's quite light, but that has just, wow. See, something like that I might use as a primer just because the glow with it. So let's see what they said. And it says, want a dewy, glowy skin? Who doesn't? This Elemis Priming Moisturiser is here to give you the smooth, radiant complexion of your dreams, blended with nourishing ingredients that will also brighten your skin. Perfect for use as a daily moisturiser, a primer, or as a natural base. And it has ginger and green tea seed oil in it. And it says you rub a pea-sized amount, not a PC-sized amount, all over the skin and neck. If you want to use this as a highlighter, dab a small amount onto the high points of the face and tips, nose or cupid's bow. So yeah, I would definitely use that as more of like a glowy primer rather than a moisturiser. I've kind of got oily, kind of combo-y kind of skin, so I don't really want to look like an oil slick. But I think as a primer under a foundation, that will look quite nice. Now the next item we have here is the Starskin VIP, and it says it's the 7-second luxury all-day mask. It says it's a 7-in-1 miracle skin mask pads. That's a bit strange there. 7-in-1. What 7 products has it got in one there then? Has it got any information on the back? It just says a new generation 7-in-1 beauty innovation. Okay, right, we'll read some information about that. I will pop this in the giveaway as well. It's just, I've got so many masks at the moment, so I will pop this aside and then one of you lucky guys will have a chance to win it. But let's see what Lookfantastic have said, because I'm really intrigued. 7-in-1. It says a miracle 7-step skincare regime in one handy pad that combines Starskin's famous 7-second morning and overnight masks. This double-sided cleansing pad works to hydrate and refresh your complexion as it cleans for a quick but effective skincare. And it says massage the textured side of the pad all over the face, flip over and complete the skincare step by swiping the smooth side across the skin. Follow with your serums and moisturiser. Okay, but if it's already got the kind of like the serum, the moisturiser, because it's saying it's a 7-step all in one, then why would you need to follow up with your moisturiser and serum? I'm baffled. If you've come across this product before, let me know, please. Put me out my misery. And it's got glycerin, niacinamide, grapeseed extract and berry seed extract. So yeah, that's very interesting. Whoever wins that, you'll have to let me know how you get on with it. The next item is makeup. I'm excited. We don't often get that many makeup items in Lookfantastic, so this is lovely, and I think I'm going to absolutely love this when I can get it unwrapped. This is a lipstick from the brand Revlon. I haven't actually got any Revlon lipsticks, not bullets. I've got liquid lips, and it is in the shade Rose Wine 225. And let's give this a swatch. Oh, look at that. That looks gorgeous. That is my kind of colour. Kind of like a pinky, rosy kind of wine colour. Let's see how it swatches. Yeah, that's definitely my kind of colour. Sorry, my hand is just glowing from that moisturiser. I really do like that shade. I'm going to enjoy that. Now let's see what Lookfantastic have said. It's a creamy lipstick that adds a pop of natural colour to your pout, infused with liquid silk. Ooh, so it should be quite, you know, nice on the lips as well. Formulated that seals in both pigment and softness for a lip look, and that is long lasting and doesn't crack or flake. And it says, apply directly from the bullet to the lips for an intense colour payoff. For something more subtle, apply a small amount on your finger and dab onto the lips. I would probably use that as a cheek colour as well, because it's that really nice kind of shade. Just before you put your powder on and you've got your foundation, just really dab it lightly. That would be really nice for kind of like, you know, a nice monochromatic look. Yeah, I like that. And it says there's an expert tip. Rub some of the lipstick onto the back of your hand and using a dense face brush, apply to the cheeks or as a blusher to make your makeup look tie together. That's exactly what I've just said. So yeah, that would look absolutely stunning as a cheek colour as well. It's come off very easily though. Bearing in mind this is dry. So yeah, I'm really intrigued. I have to give that one a go. And the last item is from the brand Illlamasqua, and it is a liquid highlighter. Now I'm not sure what shade this is in because it's very small. Oh, OMG. So let's give this a go. I've not got a highlighter from Illlamasqua, so this would be nice. And I'm hoping the camera will pick it up. So, oh my goodness. And as normal, yeah, that's why it's called OMG. As normal, I have just thrown an absolute ton of it out of my hand. Today my hands are going to glow to the gods. Oh my goodness, that is absolutely stunning. But like I said, there is way too much there. You won't even need a fraction of that. Absolutely gorgeous. That colour is stunning. Now, I am a bit annoyed because it's so small. That is absolutely tiny. I know you're not going to need a lot, but that is absolutely tiny. So it would have been nice to have seen, you know, it bigger. Let's just... I've got really shimmery hands. Yeah, it would have been nice if it was bigger, and I'm just wondering, that shade isn't going to be inclusive for everybody, is it? So if they've put different tones in for different skin tones, absolutely fabulous. But if they've just whacked just the one in for everybody, not everybody's going to be able to use it. So that's a bit sad, really. I don't like that. I like it when they're more inclusive, especially when they ask us to build a beauty profile. What's the point in building a profile and asking those questions? Skin tone, you know, hair colour, what your skin is like, and they just throw one product in for everybody. It just makes it pointless. But a little rant over with. It's a liquid highlighter taking inspiration from the brand's infamous Beyond highlighting powder. It will give you a striking strobe-like glow. Mix into your base makeup for a natural luminosity, or apply directly to the high points of the face for a champagne glowy finish. And it says you apply to tops of cheekbones, bridge of the nose, or the cupid's bow with a defined makeup brush for a precise application and an intense glow. And it says for a longer lasting glow, apply your favourite powder highlighter over the top. Alternatively, mix into your daily moisturiser, primer, foundation for a subtle dewy finish to look complexion. So yeah, it's very versatile. You can use it sort of many different ways. But if everybody's got the shade OMG, then, like I said, it's not very inclusive, is it? So there's quite a few people who are going to be popping them on eBay. So if you want one, have a look, because they're not going to be able to use it. So kind of, what did you think of this month's box? Let's just gather everything up so you can take a last look. So we've got the Starskin VIP 7-in-1 mask, which is a bit bizarre. We've got the Mind Tan Gradual Tanning Spray. There's the Grow Gorgeous Heat Defense and Anti-Pollution Spray. The Illlamasqua highlighter in the shade OMG. We've got the Elemis Superfood Glow Priming Moisturiser, which is incredibly glowy. And we've got the Revlon lipstick in the shade Rose Wine, which I'm really, really looking forward to trying. So yeah, if you get Lookfantastic, I would love to hear from you and let me know what you thought of this month's bag. Not box, it's a bag. Or if you've just, you know, you've just popped along just to see what we got, let me know what you thought in the comments below. I love hearing from you guys, I really do. Like I said in the intro, we are a YouTube family, so come on guys, let's get talking. Thank you for joining me again today, and I hope to see you again soon. In the meantime, lovelies, please take care. Bye bye.